Hello everyone, welcome to Jurisprudence Academy. This is the third part of the cutoff series video where we're going to discuss NUJS Kolkata. In the past two videos, we have discussed about NLI Bhopal and NLU Jodhpur. And if you haven't watched the video, kindly go and watch those videos if you're aspiring for those two universities. The video links are given below and you can go and click on this and watch those videos. Now, before getting started with NUJS Kolkata in this video, I need to tell you something. There's very interesting news for you all. Jurisprudence is announcing the CLAT PG Essay Answer Writing Competition 2.0. We have successfully organized the CLAT PG Essay Answer Writing Competition last month. Now in this month we are going to organize again. We have got huge responses from your side and there are a lot of students, they have asked us to organize this competition again so that they can participate and they can get their subjective answer evaluated from us. So that's why we are going to organize this competition again for you people, and the deadline for the registration is 23rd March and deadline for the submission is 24th March 2019, and registration has already been started. Kindly go and register in it. The link is given below. The result date of this competition is 31st March and registration fees is 99 rupees as always. Last time it was also 99 rupees. And for more details, kindly go to the description box and click the link, and you can also visit www.jurisprudence.com/academy where you can find the necessary details. Now let's move on to the NUJS Kolkata. Now NUJS Kolkata is one of the top law colleges in India where students can pursue their undergraduate and postgraduate in law. And also NUJS Kolkata along with the JNLU and the NLSI Bangalore remain the only three national law schools which have the Honorable Chief Justice of India as the chancellors. If you want to know more about NUJS Kolkata, kindly visit www.nujs.edu. Without further delaying on this introduction, let's move on to the specialization. Now, what are the streams that you can follow in LLM if you want to pursue in NUJS Kolkata? And there are two streams available, that is corporate and business laws and also international law. Now, other than these two streams, there are some compulsory courses or subjects that you need to follow. Those three subjects in the first semester, you need to follow the two compulsory subjects, and in the second semester the one common compulsory subject. The first semester the compulsory subjects are comparative public law and the research methodology, and the second semester law justice in the globalizing world. Now this is whole 1 year program and is divided into 2 semesters. Now let's move on to the fees. How much do you need to pay for your LLM education if you want to pursue in NUJS Kolkata? And that is approx 1,50,000 rupees. That is you need to pay to pursue your LLM. Now let's move on to the vacancies. The vacancies are around 35 to 40 generally each and every year that you will get in NUJS Kolkata. I hope a lot of you are aspiring to get into NUJS Kolkata because that is one of the reputed law colleges in India. So you have to get good marks to get into this college. Now let's see the most important part of this video, that is cutoff. So as you know, the cutoff is divided into 3 parts: CLAT PG 2017 cutoff, CLAT PG 2018 cutoff, and the CLAT PG 2019 expected cutoff. So let's move on to the cutoff. Cutoff is based on the first indicative list. I'm not going to tell the other indicative list. So let's see what is CLAT PG 2017 cutoff was. So CLAT PG 2017 cutoff was 101 based on the first indicative list, and the fourth indicative list cutoff was 85.5. Now let's move on to the CLAT PG 2018 cutoff, and that is 79 to 80, and that was based on the student information, and this is also the first indicative list that I am saying. Other than that, let's move on to the CLAT PG expected cutoff for NUJS Kolkata, that is 92 to 95. That you know that we predict the CLAT PG expected cutoff upon the pattern, syllabus and the last year's cutoff through the previous list that we have checked to predict this cutoff. So this is the expected cutoff, and this expected cutoff is totally said for the solely one reason, that is you people can prepare yourself according to this cutoff and you will get to know how much to score on which portion, and then you can strategize according to that. Now as you people know, the subjective answer guide that we are providing, CLAT PG preparation builder program, if you haven't registered for it, kindly go and register in it. It's free of cost. There is no problem signing up with it to get the previous year's question paper analysis. Decoding the Jurisprudence, if you haven't got it yet, kindly get it. It is the objective book on jurisprudence. Now regarding the All India LLM Mock Cloud series and CLAT PG crash course, these are the 2 courses course under which we are providing each and every student the subjective answer guide and making them prepare for the subjective answers. The CLAT PG mock book is available, 20 hardcopy mock tests on the basis of CLAT PG pattern, 2019 pattern that I am telling you, and also the recent judgments. If you only asking for the recent judgments capsule module, that is also available, that you can get it. Then all the links are given below in the description, and IPR course that is also available individually. So if you want to take that, the link is also given below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share this video with your fellow CLAT PG aspirants, and don't forget to subscribe the channel to stay updated on CLAT LLM, UGC NET, SET and judiciary. And also one thing, let me give you another reminder regarding CLAT PGSA under answer writing competition. It's open now. You can register in it. The details are given below and also in the Judiciary Academy site. Kindly go and check it. Thank you. See you soon.